So you can still be in help defense, but person on offense starts with the basketball. So you start with the basketball, and we'll go right here. So the defense can give you different looks. Sometimes they'll be right here at a half advantage. A full advantage is I'm behind you. We go half advantage, forcing you that way. And you're still on help defense.
Just wherever?
Yep, but now he starts with the basketball.
So it's your choice to guard me however you want.
Yeah.
So you could face guard me.
Yeah.
So you could straight up guard me like
Yep.
that.
Right here.
And then I have to make a decision.
Yeah.
Or you could.
Now let's do, if you're gonna face guard, we'll put our feet together to start.
Okay, that's fair. 5, 4.
Oh, good move. Hey!
Yep, good help.
Good shot. I got help left side. I'm here. That's tough.
Kick out.
Damn, that's tough.
And I can be wherever I want. I can come up to the 3-point line.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Oh, I fouled him. Quick!
That's a shot, bro.
I'm gonna help. That's tough. That's Hudson's move right there.
One stop.
Oh, with the Wemby arm though?
I know.
Oh, yeah.
Way to step through. That's nice.
Read that.
Good shot.
This motherfucker's not gonna let it happen.
One. If my help defender had a hand up,
Yeah, you're right.
I didn't put a hand up either. I got lazy. I'm here.
I don't think I'm gonna do a.
Feet together.
Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna get crossed over.
I know, especially with quick, dude.
We'll look. We'll do a different look too. You can go here.
Yeah, that's good.
This shit.
Hey. Yeah.
Yesterday we. I can see your shadow. Help me! Good move.
God.
Alright, we gotta get a stop.
I feel like quick makes it whenever I step.
Yeah.
Oh. Ah, good hands. And one. That's tough. Bob Cousy ass footwork.
Yeah.
That was a nice shot.
I have two. That was a one.
That's it.
3.
Stay up, stay up, stay up.
That
was a D.
Good shot. Nice. That's tough.
Yeah, that's pretty step back.
2.
I'm having a career day today.
Ah.
Why'd you start over there?
Just getting a different look.
Oh.
Oh, yeah. Count one.
What's that? Good shot.
Great.
Like that?
Like that, like that.
Yeah.
Asshole.
Got there.
You gave me the idea yourself.
Yeah, he did.
Good poke.
Ah.
Oh, I thought he was gonna spin back. That's my fault.
Oh, is that travel? Look like.
So, because you did a jump shot and then you took your step, no? Jump shot and you step.
Point game.
Hey! Delete that. He ain't even.
Yep.
Go.
You're a bucket, Nate.
I'm there. Good shot.
What you got?
What a shot. Good patience.
Hey, next bucket. We all have 4.
4, 4, 4. Who wants it more? I'm here.
That's it.
Game.
Gotta finish it.
First dub. Actually, first dub for Nate. He's looking for a first dub.
Yeah.
Right.
Frank.
Coach Jackson.
That's it.
Oh.